Hello, we present to you our new product, NAFAA BITE. We serve your favorite differently. We have 5 group members, which is Nurul Najiha, Ainur Najiha, Fatihah Shanisa, Atika Balkis, and Nurul Ashikin.
What is NAFAA BITE? NAFAA BITE is actually a chocolate slice and another version of bread spread. It is packed individually in a plastic to secure the quality and the freshness of the product. To visualize our NAFAA BITE, the length and width is 12 cm while the height is 0.3 cm.
So, how we came up with this idea? First, we students of Diploma Food Technology was researching problems that arouse related to food. As we know, people usually leave breakfast because of running out of time to work or school. So we think that our NAFAA BITE is suitable for all ages. Next, with NAFAA BITE slice, it helps us to control our calorie intake, especially for those on diet. For those on diet, we'll have a great dietary balance too. Last but not least, we thought that nowadays, demand for readily made food is high. So do our NAFAA BITE, where consumers can tear the wrapper and eat it with bread or just NAFAA BITE itself. The novelty of this NAFAA BITE, it is a new to market, which is why we target especially to mothers and children, students and travelers, and also hotel catering management, in hoping that our product will be well known. It also an innovation from spread to slice, where it helps to ease our days. For NAFAA BITE formulation 100 gram per slice, we use milk, sugar, salt, chocolate essence, cocoa powder, emulsifier which is lecithin, and gelatin.
Okay, now let's move on the process of how we make our NAFAA BITE. Okay, firstly is mixing. In a small bowl, sprinkle the gelatin over the water and allow it to hydrate about 1 minute. Next, milk, sugar, salt and cocoa powder are mixed before being heated to allow complete mixing and to avoid lumpy of cocoa powder in the mixture. And then the next step is heating. The mixture in a small saucepan are heated over medium-high heat. When milk comes to a simmer, add the hydrated gelatin and stir until it melts. After heating, the mixture are then passed through the mold in the extruder to become a thin layer of chocolate. Then it is put in the chiller to let the chocolate more firm before being cut. And lastly, the thin layer of chocolate are cut into commercial form by using a cheese cutter.
The technology used to process the product first is steam jacketed kettle, which is used for mixing and heating all the ingredients. Then an extruder machine is used to run the extrusion process and to get the desired shape of the final product. Next, a chiller is used to solidify the product before packaging. Then a cutter is used for cutting the product into a uniform size. The packaging we use for primary packaging, it was made from polyester film because it's non-absorbent, recyclable, non-toxic and cheap. While for the secondary packaging, we use plastic type PVC because it's suitable for vacuum packaging, flexible, high durability and lightweight.
So here is the front packaging and back packaging for NAFAA BITE.
Next is recommended analysis. There are 3 types of analysis: physical, chemical, and sensory analysis. For physical analysis, we use texture profile analysis to determine the texture properties of our products or foods. For chemical analysis, we use 2 different analyses, which is Meissonier method and refractive index measurement. Meissonier method is to determine fat in milk since our product is dairy-based products. Refractive index measurement is used to measure the content of dissolved solid in sugar solution. Last but not least, for sensory analysis, we use hedonic test. This test is to describe the degree of consumer acceptance and satisfaction regarding our product attributes.
Here is the costing for NAFAA BITE. We calculated the price for milk, sugar, salt, chocolate essence, emulsifier, gelatin, cocoa powder, plastic and electric. So the capital for one pack which contains 5 pieces of NAFAA BITE is RM5.30. The selling price is RM8.90 and gives 40.4% of profit that equals to RM3.60. That's all from us and thank you for your attention.